This is a 2003 Jeep Liberty Sport, the V6. Earlier I put down the driver's side window and it came down slow and actually sat inside the door. I was trying to pull this up using the switch and it was inside the door, so I couldn't pull it up. It was still on the track on the cable to the regulator, and I just couldn't pull it up for some reason. So next thing I checked was the switch, pulled that out, used a screwdriver, made sure the connection was still good. Honestly, I didn't really know what I was doing, but the everything was good. All four windows worked except the driver's side. So what I did was pretty simple. You can test the switch out. There's a few videos out. You can see a lot of people say bad switches. Well, it seemed like mine was a bad regulator. Not a mechanic, couldn't figure out how to take out regulators. So try something more simple. To take the door off, there's a screw, Phillips screw here and here, and just pull all the way around, top, bottom, and this should pop off. When you get the door off, pull up, make sure it clears that lock. Here's the door handle. This black piece, oh sorry, doing one-handed, just push it in. Sorry. When you push it in, that should release it, and the little cable will just drop right down. So now the panel is free. There's two clips here, just remove them as usual. So this is the fun part. Tried pulling down here, took the speaker out with a few bolts, tried to pull it up over there, no good, still connected to the tracks. So what I did was to actually tapped right here with my screwdriver, and as I was tapping, I was pulling up the window on the switch and it actually came up. So I just simply tapped and it came up. Give that a go. Sometimes it'll work. I kind of thought it was kind of like a starter where you tap it, you might get some life out of it. But so far it works right now, and I probably won't use the window from now on. Thanks.